In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an address on Waze, a handy way to keep your frequent destinations at your fingertips. Let's dive right in and make sure your Waze app becomes even more user-friendly by saving those important locations. First, let's start with saving a specific address or place as a favorite. Kick things off by opening your Waze app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen of the app, you'll want to tap the search icon. It looks like a magnifying glass, easily recognizable in the interface. This will bring up the search bar where you can type in the address or the name of the place you want to save. Make sure you type accurately to get the best results from the search quickly. After entering the address or name, you'll see a list of search results appear. From this list, simply tap on the correct result that matches the address or place you're looking for. Once you select it, you'll be taken to that location's information screen. Here, look for the Add to Favorites option, which is usually represented by a star icon. Giving it a tap will prompt a text box where you can assign a custom name to this location. Personalizing it with a name that's memorable to you will help for future references, so be creative or straightforward, whichever you prefer. Once you're satisfied with the name, tap the Done or Save button to secure this location as a favorite. Now let's move on to how you can easily save your home or work addresses for a hassle-free commute. Go to the Saved Places section within your Waze app. Here, you'll see options for home and work, which are conveniently placed for frequent routes. To amend these, tap either Home or Work, based on your preference. On this screen, you'll need to tap the three dots, which might be hiding some of the additional options, and then select the pencil icon beside the Home or Work label to edit the address. Next, proceed to type in the complete address. It's essential to double-check the details to ensure accuracy. Once you've entered the address, go ahead and select the correct location from the list provided. Finally, hit the Save button so that your address is updated and ready for future use without needing to re-enter it every time you plan a commute. And there you have it, 2 simple ways to save addresses on Waze for added convenience and efficiency. Whether it's your favorite coffee shop, home, or work address, having these favorites set up means you're always just a few taps away from starting your navigation seamlessly. Thanks for following along in this video, and happy navigating with Waze.